The Indian Constitution is the supreme law of the land. It was adopted in on November 26, 1949 and came into effect in January 26, 1950. Now, Indian Constitution is the longest written constitution in the world. You know why? Because India is vast in geographical extent, and second thing that it is diverse in race, caste, religion. We know it's so much diverse country, and under the brilliant guidance of Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar, who was the chairman of drafting committee, the Constituent Assembly drafted the constitution in 2 years, 11 months, and 18 days. It studied the constitution of various countries and tailored it according to the India's unique needs. You know that our Indian constitution was originally not printed but handwritten both in English and Hindi language, and still today it is preserved in the Parliament Library in New Delhi. The Constitution of our India declares India as a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic country. These are not just words, but a promise made to our Indian citizens. The preamble of the Constitution um, provides Indian citizens essential pillars of justice, liberty, equality, and fraternity. The Constitution of India also acts as a protecting shield by providing our citizens six fundamental rights. Rights like right to equality, right to freedom, right against exploitation, freedom for religion and cultural educational rights, and last one, constitutional remedies. These are six rights. Our constitution, along with fundamental rights, also gives us fundamental duties so that while enjoying our rights, we don't forget our duties. We might have listened na, that great freedom comes with great responsibilities to serve our society and our nation. So, while enjoying our rights, we should also keep in mind that we also have our duty towards our constitution. So, what's our duty towards our constitution? Is first thing that we should protect our constitution. How? By understanding it and preserving the moral values, the values which it has, like justice, equality, and fraternity that our constitution states on. Thank you.
Nice clapping.